Hello everyone. In today's session, we are breaking down the difference between capsule and slime layer made super simple and easy to remember. So, what is the structural difference between capsule and the slime layer? A capsule is a highly organized and compact covering that is firmly attached to bacterial cell wall, meaning it cannot be easily removed. It has a distinct boundary and maintains a fixed shape around the cell. In contrast, the slime layer is loosely organized and easily detachable, forming a thin, irregular coating around the cell that lacks a definite shape. It means it looks more like a sticky film spread around the bacterium. Now we will understand what are capsules and slime layers made of and how do they differ in the composition. So capsules are usually made of dense polysaccharides, means a long chains of sugar molecules, and sometimes polypeptides or chains of amino acids that form protein like structures. These materials are species specific, meaning their chemical structures differ from one bacterial species to another one, and they are not easily removed due to their strong attachment. Slime layers, on the other hand, are composed mainly of loosely associated water soluble polysaccharides, which means they can dissolve or be washed away easily, reflecting their weak connection to the cell surface. Now we will understand how can capsules and slime layers be visualized under a microscope. So capsules are best seen using negative staining technique with India ink, where they appear as a clear halo-like zone surrounding the darkly stained bacterial cell. The capsule itself does not take up the dye. The slime layer appears amorphous, means without shape, and less defined under the microscope because it is thin, uneven, and not as tightly bound to the cell. Now we will understand which bacterial species commonly possess capsules or slime layers or the examples. So examples of capsule forming bacteria include Streptococcus pneumoniae, which has a polysaccharide capsule that protects it from the immune attack, and Bacillus anthracis, which has a poly-D-glutamic acid capsule, a protein-like substance that prevents the phagocytosis process. Slime layers are commonly seen in biofilm-forming bacteria such as Pseudomonas aeruginosa, where the slime layer helps multiple cells stick together and attach to surfaces, forming a protective microbial community. Now, what functions are shared by both capsules and the slime layer? Okay, so both capsules and slime layers act as protective barriers for bacteria. They prevent phagocytosis process, means engulfment by immune cells, and protect against desiccation, drying out in harsh environments. They also help bacteria adhere to the surfaces like tissues or medical devices. Supporting biofilm formation means a multicellular layer of bacteria that grows on surfaces. This biofilm formation enhances antibiotic resistance by shielding the bacteria from the drugs. Additionally, both layers help retain water and can store small nutrient molecules, aiding bacterial survival under the stress condition. Now, how are the capsules and the slime layer clinically significant? So, capsules are considered major virulence factors, means components that increase a microbe's ability to cause disease. They prevent immune cells from destroying the bacteria, allowing infection to progress. Because of this, capsules are often targeted for the vaccines. So, for example, vaccines against Streptococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus influenza, and Klebsiella pneumoniae are based on capsular polysaccharide antigens. Slime layers, in contrast, are important in chronic or device related infections. They enable bacteria to form biofilms on the catheters, prosthetic valves, and implants, leading to persistent infections that are hard to treat with antibiotics because the slime layer protects the bacteria from both the host immune system and also from the drugs. So, if you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more clear microbiology related concepts. See you in the next video.